Hey guys, welcome back to another Cara's Cakes vlog. It's Tuesday and I'm on my way to work. So I work all week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7 to 7, Thursday, 7 to 3. I'm off Friday. I have one cake order due the weekend and 2 cupcake orders due. And then I decided I'm going to do Father's Day brownies too. Just like I posted in my last video. If you didn't see that, I'll link that up here. So today at lunchtime, I may run to the grocery store and get some things for some cakes that I need to make. So I'm gonna go to work and I'll catch you at lunchtime. Hey guys, it's much later. I said I was gonna check in with you at lunchtime. It's now 7:44 p.m. So I just made supper. It's like a pasta dish and I made an extra pan for our friends Jen and Justin. They had a baby last week. I just wanted to help them out a little bit because obviously they're busy with their newborn baby and she's the cutest little baby ever. So I wanted to make them supper. While that's cooling off, I'm gonna grab a shower and then I'm gonna go drop that off for them so they can have it for tonight or tomorrow at some point because I work all day tomorrow, so I won't be able to drop it off. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm on my way to work. So I went and dropped off the pan of pasta to Jenna last night. And then when I got home, I finished up the video that's going live today. So that'll already be up. It's just my vacation vlog, my staycation vlog. Definitely go check that out. And if you're not already, go ahead and like this video and scroll down to subscribe because a lot of you that are watching aren't subscribed. So after work, I'm making vanilla funfetti cupcakes and decorating them for a coworker. Her birthday is on Saturday and I don't work on Friday, so I'm gonna bring them on Thursday for her. At work, we have like a birthday list, and if you want to be on the list, you write your name down and then the person before you buys you a cake or cupcakes. And it's quicker to bake cupcakes and decorate them for me tonight than it would be to make a cake. She understands that I work 7 to 7 tonight, so I don't want to be up until midnight again. Hey guys, I'm on the way home. I am extremely tired, but I had to do those cupcakes tonight. So I'll show you a little bit of me making the cupcakes. And then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Thursday morning and I work 7 to 3 today and then I'm off for a few days. So my plan today is after work or at lunchtime, I'm not sure, I'm gonna run to Walmart or the grocery store and get a few things I need for the brownies this weekend. And then when I get home later on, I have to bake some lemon blueberry cake because I have a lemon blueberry cake and 2 dozen lemon blueberry cupcakes I have to do this weekend as well. So I'm gonna bake those tonight, decorate tomorrow. And also tomorrow I have to make all the brownies. Yeah, so shorter day today at work and then get right into the baking for the weekend. Okay guys, I went on my lunch break and got my Apple Watch. I asked all my family members to get me Best Buy gift cards for my birthday. So I put all the gift cards toward this so I wouldn't have to spend all of the money on my own. Because obviously an Apple Watch is more expensive than I would normally buy. But I'm going to take it apart now and look at it quickly before I have to go back into work. Hey guys, I'm off work now. I'm just headed home, but before I go home, I'm going to stop at Walmart and I'm going to stop at the grocery store. I also have to get gas. I didn't realize that the gas light is on in my car. So I'm going to do those 3 stops, head home, and then start baking the lemon blueberry cupcakes and cake. Also, got my Apple Watch on. It's dying though, I need to charge it. And my phone's also dying, so I need to charge everything. So I'm really excited about my watch, but I haven't obviously I was at work, so I haven't had time to play with it. So later on tonight when my cakes are baked, I'll probably look at some videos and help me figure everything out. So I'm just sitting at a red light, gonna cross over and go to Walmart. I'm gonna get most of it here, and then at the grocery store I need cocoa powder and butter, and the brands that I like are at Superstore, so I'm gonna get those after. Hey guys, it's Friday morning and I just got back from a walk with Chip. I'm gonna put all these dishes away from last night, wipe the counters, vacuum the floor before I can start baking. Today I have to decorate 2 dozen cupcakes and a lemon blueberry cake, and then I have to get going on the brownies for Father's Day. The pickup is tomorrow and I have to make 31 pans of brownies. So they're not like the big pans, it's the little pans of brownies, but I'm still gonna have to do like a bunch of batches. So I'm going to get the cake and the cupcakes decorated and out of the way first, because I know once I finish those brownies, I'm gonna be finished. So I turned the mixer off for a second. I'm making buttercream for the cake, but I just had to show you. This cupboard, I put my big bags of flour in and stuff, and icing sugar and just like extra ingredients, like overflow. But I just want to show you what I did. I thought I didn't have any cocoa powder, but I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's not full, and then other brands here. And you might say, Cara, why aren't you using the good cocoa powder? This cocoa powder from Superstore is the best one I've tried with my cakes. I can't speak for your recipes, but I like this one. It still isn't cheap. If anybody knows me, they think my house is organized in every nook and cranny, but it's not. This is not organized. Sometimes it is. But I have my big bags of flour in here. I keep my icing sugar in here as well. And just extra, so like over here in this drawer I have like my salt and baking powder and stuff, so when I have an extra baking powder I put it over here. But I definitely have enough cocoa powder to do the brownies. If I don't, I'll be surprised. Okay guys, I finished the lemon blueberry cake. I was on the phone with my mom, so I didn't film any of it, but now I'm just going to use the buttercream left to decorate the cupcakes. Okay guys, it's much later now. It's 3:30 and I have 12 pans of brownies done. I've noticed that I've been running out of ingredients, so I actually measured out all the ingredients I need, and so I can figure out what I actually need at the grocery store so I don't go buy too much. I measured out everything except I need more sugar, I need more butter, and I need more chocolate chips. I have all the toppings. I do need more graham crackers for s'mores, and I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen, take this outside, and run to the grocery store really quick to get what I need so I can keep going. Okay guys, I have 6 more brownies in the oven. I have some finished over here, and I have all of my ingredients measured out over here to make the rest of them. So that's what I'm gonna be working on, but I'm gonna check in a little later when I'm almost finished. Okay, so I have all the brownies finished, packaged, and I put little stickers on some too, so they're all ready for the morning. They're actually getting picked up between 1 and 3 p.m. tomorrow, so I'll have it all ready for then. All right, so I'm looking pretty tired. I think Seamus is asleep on the couch, and I'm gonna take Chip outside to pee before we go to bed. It's 11:30. I'm gonna head to bed now. Hey guys, happy Saturday. Chip and I just went for a walk and now I'm home just cleaning up, and I have all the brownies set out from yesterday and I have all the names here on sticky notes. So a bunch of people just got single pans of brownies, and then there's a few that got 2 pans, and then there's 4 people that got 1 of each. So I have I'm going to try and set them up like as an order to make it a little bit easier. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. I have all the orders set up. I rewrote them so I can check the names when people come, and I've just cleaned the porch out a little bit. I took all the coats off the hooks and I took the shoes off there. My mom is bringing over a little table she has, and I'm gonna set up a table here just so I can put some of the brownies on so I don't have to keep running up and down the stairs. And I did set 2 chairs up outside that I'm gonna sit out on and wait for people since it's so nice. So it's only 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna have something to eat and then do a little bit of cleaning. So I will check in with you later when people start coming. These are all the ones that were just single orders. These ones are double orders, and then these ones that are stacked a little higher are triple orders. So I have them all set up with their sticky notes, and I have my paper here that I'm going to cross off as people come. Everybody paid through e-transfer except 2 people, so I don't really have to worry about handling money, which is good. And I think I can just open the door and it'll just open, but with it being so warm out, I'm going to keep the door closed unless a lot of people are here. Okay guys, I have everything set up down on the porch, and I have these cupcakes ready. People are picking up today too. All lemon blueberry, and then the cake is lemon blueberry too. These are actually all for 3 different people. It just worked out that it was all lemon blueberry. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I just want to go ahead and end the vlog here because I want to edit and upload today. I'm late editing because yesterday was Brownie pickup day, and then I had a few other things I had to get done, so I'm going to edit it today and try to upload it later tonight. I'm off now until Wednesday, so I'm going to start a new vlog tomorrow. Seamus and I are just going to spend the day with our families because it's Father's Day. Oh, so the brownies. Overall, it went well. I did profit from it, but the ingredients for those brownies cost a lot of money. So, okay, so I did charge $15 for a pan, and like, honestly, I probably should have charged a little bit more just because of the cost of everything. I learned a few things along the way. In the end, they turned out really good, but next time I might do things a little bit different, and I might do like a cookie sale or something one of these days. So overall, it went really well. I had a few extra pans. My friend Jenna bought one of the extras. I'm gonna give a pan to my dad, and then we'll give the other pan to Seamus's stepdad. So then they'll all get used. And then we actually ate some this morning for breakfast. Okay, so that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.